StudyNest. So today is Wednesday and Wednesday means special day. So today we're going to play Among Us. And today I'm also going to give you tips that you can use in your gameplay so that you can always win in the most time. So without any further delay, let's jump on to the video.
Hey, so my first tip is play in the skill thing because there you can actually close the gates and stuff, and hence you won't. If you're imposter, then I'm imposter. Oh, imposter! I am imposter. I know it might sound weird then. And also, never fake tasks of the visual tasks. First, what you do is just go to this part, this cafeteria, and just do this task. Then just run all the way and go to that, and then just do this task. I mean, of course, people will, when there are no people, okay. And why I said to play in the skill again is because you will be able to close the gates, which is a very big plus point. And don't let people do tasks is what I say. Okay, and when you are going to security, you won't be able to see what the people are doing, so just go to medbay, then just for a split second you just have to see. So it's like, maybe I went out from here. The guy knows that it's me. He knows it. I want to see you, crewmate, and so do see people do visual tasks, because this is going to help you a lot, because then you are sure of who to sus and who to not to sus. So I'll tell you where the visual tasks are there. As soon as the game starts, then they're 100% imposter. Because first, the thing has to see dummy please, and if you see someone doing that task in reactor, then they're 100% the imposter. They increase the chances of you becoming the imposter, and I just don't know for what reason is that. Maybe it's just a thing in this Among Us. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If yes, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and ring the notification bell for my latest updates. Until the next video, goodbye.